the Makis Studios, and little car park if you hire a car. Steps down to the pool. Yeah, and a random man walking a dog. This is the main strip running through Skala. If you turn left and go up there, you have a supermarket where that wagon is, and if you turn right just before that and walk along there, you've got the Makis grill house. Have chemist and a COVID. Yeah, they do the COVID tests as well there. That's if you can't do your own. Certainly not a resort, I would say, if anybody pushing someone in a wheelchair. Unless the person pushing them is extremely fit. Loco and that
restaurant on the right, I'm forgetting the name, with the moustache.
Yeah, I'll put that in the captions.
Yeah, but the Locos where they're doing motoring on the Wednesday and Saturday.
Yep.
Music.
So you've got a few cafes, shops. And there's a little playground over there.
Sally's Bar along there.
Yeah, Sally's Bar and the Manor House restaurant. That's also very nice. Yeah, this is where you would get the bus to Agostoli, 9 o'clock, only on a Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and you get the bus back at Agostoli at 2 o'clock in the afternoon on those days as well. Long there's Michael's and crazy lovely guy. Thank you very much. Church, lovely church. Another restaurant along there which we've been to twice, and I think we're going the third time tonight. Really lovely food. And if you go along the end of there and turn right and go down about 100-200 yards, you get to the Captain's Bar.
That's great music and
really
lovely cocktails.
Yeah,
Another nice restaurant.
Gelato, I think it is.
Gelato, that's very nice.
Very nice. Supermarket there. It's bigger than the one at the top of the street which we first pointed out. Looks like there's a coach either bringing or taking people to the airport. Stuck on the road because somebody parked in a daft place. Oh yes, a Rocco, absolutely fantastic restaurant, and a crazy guy who waits on you in there as well. Very nice guy though, can't do enough for you.
This restaurant we haven't been to, but it's always full on a night.
Yeah.
We'll do a video of what we're doing on the night.
Yeah. Yeah. We've been in that bar a few times. Sometimes the music's good, sometimes it's not. It's more of the more.
The spirits weren't very good, so
Yeah.
we've been back, haven't we?
Yeah. Yeah, for what you pay for the spirits, it's didn't feel it was worth the money. But sometimes you can go in. Obviously, we're getting on a bit. We don't know the music, although we do. So I know a lot of the up-to-date music, but some of the stuff in there they play, never heard of it.
This restaurant's really nice, especially the Skala.
Which one's at the Mirabelle, yeah?
And then pointing out the ATM
Yeah.
machines.
There's an ATM machine. We've passed 2 already, but we're finding the rates that you get are very poor. When you
using your card in the restaurants and shops, it's absolutely fine. The Monzo card, getting a really good rate, but in the ATM.
Yeah, if you're buying something and it converts it for you, if you're buying something on the card, which quite a lot of the restaurants take, it comes back with 1.18, 1.19 to the pound. Go to the ATM machine, it's 103, 104. Flamingo, I've got a steak there last night, peppered steak. I then got a steak a la Flamingo. Both of them are absolutely fantastic. That's the best. Beef stafado was the best meal I thought I had.
Through there,
yeah, the garden area out the back. But lovely steak.
Beat at the Pines, that's nice food.
Yeah. Pines on the corner again. If you walk around the corner and then turn up the left, you get to the Captain's Bar as well. Plus there's a little shop round there as well, isn't there, Eileen?
Yeah.
Right.
Do you want to go down the steps and walk along, or do you want to walk along the top?
We'll walk along the top. So we've reached the beach already, so we're not that far.
So what time is it now?
Say 50.
It was it 52 when
It's
we left?
9:02, yeah.
So it took 10 minutes.
Took 10 minutes.
And that's a slow walk.
Yeah. So you've got the beach and quite a lot of steps to go down again, so if you've got mobility issues, not that good. But we're going to walk round along this way. So there's a shot back up the strip. I'll just quickly show. So all the restaurants are heaving about 9 o'clock afterwards.
This gets quite busy on a night, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Sort of like children playing about. And there was an opera singer one night. Not out cup of tea, but but there was quite a few people sitting watching, wasn't there?
Yeah.